guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Huda eyeshadow palette. So this is the neon eyeshadow palette. I just did pick up one, and this is the neon green eyeshadow, or neon green obsession eyeshadows. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging of this. It looks so pretty. And this is the color scheme. So the colors look gorgeous. I do have two of her other mini palettes right here, just to see if I'm missing something here. I could hopefully grab one of these colors, especially for like a transition shade or something like that. And I also have her nude palette here too, just to make sure that my look is just 100% clean and just the way I like it. So this comes with 9 eyeshadows. Yeah, it comes with 9 eyeshadows. There are 3 mattes. So this green is a matte, that light green is a matte, and that pink is a matte. I really was like, this morning I was like, ooh, I want to play with those greens, but now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want to play with like this right here, like those 3. I feel like I usually gravitate towards those though, so I'm gonna see what I can come up with. I am wearing like a nice spring kind of colored shirt, so I feel like any of these shadows will match. But before we jump into this video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. Hit that post notification bell too while you're at it, so you can get notified of all of my future uploads. And give this video a thumbs up if you do like me reviewing one type of product. So I kind of just really want to focus this video. It's something completely different than what I usually do. I'm basically just going to be doing a complete eye look with hopefully only this palette. I do have the other ones to dabble into if need be, but I really just want to do this, and then I'm just going to kind of fast forward and show you guys what I'm doing for my face. I want to see if this kind of video gets a good reaction. So if you do like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, so I do know that you like these types of videos. Also, please leave me a comment down below. Have you picked up one of these? I know that she has a pink one and like a coral one, I think it is. But really excited to play with this. I think this was $28, $22. Okay, this is $29. I was wrong. Yeah, $29. So this has 4 stars out of 5, 32 reviews. So the neon green has 3 matte eyeshadows in greens and pinks. It has 4 shimmer eyeshadows in yellows and neutrals, and 2 metallic eyeshadows in copper or duochrome blue. So yeah, she does have a pink, and she also does have an orange. Those colors look really pretty too, but I don't know why I was just really gravitating towards this bad boy. But I can keep on blabbing. If you want to see what eye look I create with this palette, then keep on watching. Okay, so you guys are zoomed in. The only thing that I did do is I just popped on my brows really quick, and I also did put the Laneige lip sleeping mask on my lips. If you guys don't know, that is my all-time favorite mask. It really leaves my lips really hydrated. I do use that overnight, but I feel like my lips just needed a little extra TLC today. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put on my eyeshadow primer. This is my eyeshadow primer that I use literally all the time. This is the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Love this stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and smudge it in with a brush. You can use your fingers with this. I just like using a brush sometimes because my nails are super long. So, like you guys could see, I don't want to stab myself in the eye. Alright, so I'm going to open up this bad boy. I'm like, the more I look at it, the more I'm like, I do not know what color scheme to do, because I'm not going to throw like a neon green right in my crease. Like, I don't know, that's just not my style. I do wish that they had a bit of a transition shade. I mean, that pink could always be what I could throw in my crease, but actually what I think I am going to do is pick up her Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to throw this color right here into the crease. You guys can always throw in like a bronzer if you guys have a bronzer and you want to throw that in. I'm just throwing this in. You guys know I love my transition shades, so I feel like I just personally just need that. I don't mind using like a bronzer or a different palette for a transition shade, just because I feel like I always have a bronzer on me. So that's really, whenever I travel, I always have a bronzer on me. So that's really not that big of a deal for me, especially because I'm really drawn to this palette. Okay, so I just have a little bit of a crease color going on right now. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to throw that pink into my crease. So I'm just taking a little bit of a blender brush. This is the Ipsy Precision Blending Brush, and I'm just going to tap right into that. I really don't see a lot of kickback. You guys could see I'm going pretty deep in there, hard in there, and I'm not really getting that kickback. And I'm just gonna put that where that brown is, just to kind of, I don't want to say deepen it up because this is a pastel-y pink, but kind of give it a little bit more dimension. I think that looks really pretty. I really like that pink. It's a soft pink, but it's blending out very pretty. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, really don't know how well this is going to turn out, but kind of want to do it. I am going to be taking a Moda, this is an angled blader brush. I'm going to dip into that green shade. I hope that this comes out all right. So I'm just dipping in that. Ooh, that was really powdery if you guys could see that. I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my eye. Ooh, that actually looks really pretty. Again, I know that usually I like to do darker colors on the outside of my eye, but I'm not hating this. But this is very pigmented for like a neon color. I think that looks really pretty. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take, this is a Luxie 245 small shader brush. I'm kind of feeling this one. I think I'm going to put that color right in the center of my eye. So I'm kind of just dipping my brush in there, getting it nice and coated, and putting that on. Ooh, okay, so I feel the glitter falling. Okay, I'm gonna try going in with my finger, and I'm just going to rub that on there. That looks really pretty. So to get maximum color payoff, I recommend going in with your finger. And what I like to do when I do this is I like to use a brush and kind of just get that nice edge of where I want the color. Then I go in with my finger and then I put it on. So there is a little bit of fallout with this, so I would definitely recommend using or doing your eyes before doing your face, because if you do the opposite, you are going to get glitter kind of like everywhere. Definitely a light look, but it looks pretty. I want to dip in to that white shade actually. I want to see how that looks. I'm going to take, no, I'm going to use the same brush. I mean, again, it's very light. I'm going to try it with my finger. That is a very interesting kind of like color, but I really like that. Ooh, I kind of want to layer that all over my eye. That is gorgeous, guys. It looks so pretty. I kind of want to deepen up those other colors a little bit. Like, it's a very light kind of look, but I really like that. I feel like those shimmer shades, like I said before, I would definitely use over, like, with different palettes just because of how pretty they are. It's a light eye look, but I like it. I like this a lot. I really like how this looks on my eyes. I was really skeptical at first, I'm not even gonna lie, because I did see, I think it was Tati did a video on this palette specifically, and she was super excited like I was, and she kind of like hated it, to be honest. Said that like it was really hard to come up with the color scheme, which it is, I have to say, but I'm really impressed with how this turned out. I really love those glitter shades. I think that they look so good. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'm going to fast forward it for y'all, and I will show you guys what I'm using, and I will leave everything in the description box down below like I usually do. Hey guys, so this is the completed look. I hope that you like this makeup look, and I hope that you liked that I did something a little bit different. I just wanted the main focus to be on this neon palette, and I have to say, now that everything is like complete and done, I love this palette. Love this look so much. I really like this palette. Like I said, you do need a transition shade if you're a transition person like I am, and I really like this. I do wish that there was just a deeper shade just to deepen it up a little bit, but point of this palette isn't to have those deep dark shades. It's just a neon palette. You want those fun neon colors, so I will definitely be using this again, maybe with different palettes, just so I can have that kind of, I don't want to say dramatic, but that kind of dimensional look that I like, but with like this pop of color. Like that shimmer shade I'm obsessed with. Those two shades, they are just gorgeous. So I really like this. Sorry, I keep on looking down. I'm looking at my mirror and I'm like, yeah, I really like this eyeshadow look. Like it looks really good. I really like it. I feel like I could even use this, like I would probably wear this to work. I'm not even lying. I feel like it's just so, I don't want to say neutral, but so subtle that I could get away with wearing it at work. And I feel like I wouldn't be like, oh my god, my eyes are just so bright right now. But I kind of low-key want to dip into this green shade and kind of use that as a transition. Maybe next time what I want to do is I want to use that green as a transition and then that pink and kind of just reverse it. And then maybe dip into this color. But I really, really like this palette. I think, in my opinion, it is worth the $29. The colors are pigmented, they're bright. I feel like I would use this palette all summer. It's just really, I feel like it's a really nice palette. So let me know if you guys have this palette or any of the other neon palettes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like this video if you do like this new technique that I did, just the fast forwarding. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell too so you get notified of all of my future uploads. But I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. I hope that you guys like this look. Let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.